Hi guys, this is the recipe for enchiladas, which is a Mexican dish. We're going to make the salsa verde or the green sauce for our enchiladas today. We're using 1 bunch cilantro, half onion, which is a big onion we have taken. If it is small, you can take a whole onion. About 12 to 13 green tomatoes or tomatillos. About 6 to 7 garlic cloves. 7 to 8 serrano peppers and 2 big poblano peppers. And for the stuffing, we are using about 1 bowl of boiled chicken. We are making homemade chicken stock for our enchilada recipe. We are using about quarter of a white onion cut into slits, and we are using all the chicken bones that we use for making the chicken stuffing, which we boiled earlier. Add 2 bay leaves, about half a spoon of whole black peppers, 1/3 spoon of cumin. Now let the water boil for 15 to 20 minutes in medium to high heat, but not too high, to extract all the flavors and create our chicken stock. Now we are straining the chicken broth. Take a shallow pan, add some oil, and now we are going to fry the ingredients for our sauce. Notice how we have kept the tomato from the skin side down. So we want to fry it in the oil for about 10 minutes in medium heat. We want to fry the tomato till they turn color, as you can see here. To the same pan that we fried the tomato in, add the serranos and the poblano peppers. Along with the peppers, we also want to fry the white onions. The peppers have been frying for about 6 to 7 minutes along with the onions. Once the tomatillos, the onions and the chilies have fried, we want to transfer them to a separate tray. We are doing this to let them cool before blending them together. Once the tomatillos and the onions have cooled, add them to the blender and also add a bunch of cilantro. Add 1 spoon of salt to taste and also the chicken broth that we have just separated to help grind it into a fine paste. We want to grind it to this consistency. Take a deep bottom pot and add the blended puree. We want to cook it for 10 to 15 minutes in medium heat. To give the enchilada a little desi twist, we are adding about half a spoon of cumin powder. Cook the green sauce till it thickens. For making our enchiladas, we are using store-bought corn tortillas. Fry it or roast it in medium heat for about a couple of minutes to get them soft. Enchiladas are always paired with pinto beans or black beans. Today we are using pinto beans. Soak the beans for 4 to 5 hours in water and then pressure cook it for about 12 to 15 whistles. You need to cook it till you can smash it in your hand. For the rice that goes with the enchiladas, we are using the chicken broth to give the rice a good flavor. To cook the rice, we are also adding cilantro, small pieces of chicken and onions that cooked in the chicken broth to give the rice more flavor. Now we are assembling the enchiladas. Take the green blended sauce that we have prepared and add it to a baking tray. After adding the green sauce to the baking tray, keep the chicken inside the tortilla, roll it around and then neatly place it in the baking tray. Add some shredded cheese on top of the green sauce. We're going to oven bake this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Preheat the oven in 375 for 5 minutes. We're going to bake it till the cheese melts. To add to the enchiladas, we prepared a simple and quick side salad using tomatoes, onions, cilantro and avocado and little bit of lemon juice and salt.